Hello students, welcome back in online teaching class, NCERT syllabus, subject English, standard 12, and today I am going to teach you that how to solve your English paper which was given by your NCERT Gujarat board as a your second unit test in science stream, first language English. Okay, when I was checking the unit test papers, then I observed the students did so many mistakes, and as a silly mistakes also, and as a grammatical mistake also, and most of the students don't know that how to give the answer, then how they can give the answer. And this paper solution is for those students also those were that time not able to attempt the online paper solution class. So let's we start that how to solve the paper. Today I am giving you complete paper solution, so you observe it and write in your notebook, and when I give you the written answer, then you take its screenshot and write it. Okay students, then it is your NCERT syllabus, first language English, and its subject code is 006, standard 12 science stream, and Gujarat Secondary and Higher Secondary Education Board, Gandhinagar's unit test paper. Subject English, medium English, time 1 hour, and maximum marks is 25. And here is given question number 21 to 21, and you have to attempt all questions compulsory. And it is divided into 3 sections, section A, section B, and section C. And here is the section A, and section is, first question is a stanza, and it is of 4 marks. And here is given the stanzas objective questions, and you so give the proper answer. At first you have to read the complete stanza properly, and you try to understand, and then you give its answer. Then question number 1, why did the students cover their ears? Then its answer is C, in order to understand the lesson better. Question number 2, when the narrator entered the school, he was surprised at the, answer it D, silence. Okay, silence in the school. Now the question number 3. Question number 3, the phrase counted on means, its answer is A, depend on. Its answer is A, and it is depend on. Okay students. And then question number 4, the narrator reached his desk without, its answer is B, drawing anybody is attending. Okay, now question number 5, 5 and 6 both are the questions, and you write its answer most of the 4 to 5 sentence and into 2 paragraphs. Then question number 5, when a people are enslaved, as long as they hold fast to their language, it is as if they had the key to their prison. Explain with the reference of the chapter, the last lesson. Then you start this answer with your lesson name, then lesson number, lesson name, and writer's name. You start this answer with lesson number, lesson name, and writer's name. And I write its answer after it's you write this answer. I write like this. It is absolutely true, when people are enslaved, as long as they hold fast to their language, it is if they have key to their prison. Love and loyalty to one's motherland and mother tongue are the cornerstones of one's identity and self-esteem. Okay students. And then question number 6, and question number 6 is Sahib happy working at the tea stall? Explain. Okay, then at first you write its answer, the lesson number, the lesson name, its writer name. Then you start like this: Sahib is not really happy working at the tea stall, because working for a master means sacrificing his freedom and his carefree look. Even though the job at the tea stall pays him 800 rupees and all his meals he seem less continuous than before. Okay students, you can take its screenshot or you can write its answer. Then we take the section C. Then section B. Okay, then we take the section B, and section B in given the poem's stanza. Okay, it is also marking 4, and there are given as optional question, and per question is of 1 mark. Okay, question number 7. The poet is driving. Its answer is D. And she is going to see of her mother at the airport. Question number 8. The poet feel the pang of nearness. Okay, pang of nearness when she look at her dozing mother. Okay, students. Now question number 9. Question number 9. Identify the figure of speech in the line the young trees sprinting. Okay, then its answer is B. Personifications. Question number 10. Which two stages of life are mentioned in the stanza? Then its answer is A. Youth and old age. Okay. Now answer number 11 and 12 I write as in written language, and per question is of 11 marks. Okay. And let's see its answer. Question number 11. With what has the poet compared her mother to in the poem My Mother at 66? Then at first you write the lesson number, lesson name, and the its poet name also. Then you start the answer. Is like this. The poet compared her mother to a late winter's moon, as the moon in winter is not shiny, and even her mother's face had lost her youth and shine as her mother was getting older and weak. The poet feels the fear of separation just as she used to feel during her childhood. Okay, students. Now question number 12. And question number 12. What does the third level signify? The third level, you have to write at first lesson number, lesson name, its poet name, then you start its answer. The third level signifies is escape from the modern world that is full of insecurity, fear, war, worry, and all the rest of it. The period of 1890s represent a peaceful life not possible in the present era. Okay, students. Now question number 12 is also finished. Now let's take the section C, and section C is completely grammatical, and most of students did mistake in this section. So you learn the grammar at first very well and follow its rules. Okay. Then question number 13. Listen to them. I see two distinct words. In this question at first you find the error. Error means mistake, because this question is written in a wrong way. Then you have to at first find out its error in this sentence and you do its correction. Okay. Then here is a error is listen. Listen is the error, and its correction is listening. LISTENING. Okay, you have to write the listening instead of the listen. Okay. And in question number 14, one of the family is not, because this is error. One of the family, you write in the correction one of the family. Question number 15, verb of poor. Then we write its verb form, not a poor. We write its poverty. Okay, POVERTY. Then here, how you solve it? That here you write error and here correction. Okay, error and here is correction. And then question number 16 of caste. The spelling of caste is wrong. Okay, this is error, and right spelling caste, CASTE. Then it is completely solved. Okay, now let's take the question number 17. It is the do as directed. Do as directed means grammatical portion is given here and you have to use its grammar portion. Okay, then question number 17. Their father are is tired as they are. Then its answer is, I write all grammar answers in a written way so you can solve easily and you can understand easily, like this. Okay, then its answer is given as a question tag. Question tag is simple rule. At first you find the helping verb, then here is helping verb was or, and question tag always converted into the negative to positive and positive to negative. So when it's converted into the negative, then you add the note also with helping verb and then the object. Okay, aren't they? Like this question is complete sentence like this: their fathers are tired, then question tag is aren't they. Okay, and then question number 18: why not organize yourself into a corporation? And you have to make it assertive. Okay, simple sentence because it is given in an interrogative question mark question, and then you convert into a assertive means simple sentence. Then it is its answer: organize yourself into a cooperative. Then question number 19: I jumped over the bench and sat down at my desk. Then you have to begin it's with the jumping. Then you start with this jumping as the answer. Jumping over the bench, I sat down at my desk. In question number 20: M. Hemal, I saw me. This is the change voice, active to passive. Then when you change the active to passive, then at first you find out it's the tense. And tense is find out through the verb. Then here is given the verb so. So means it is the past tense. So you change in a passive voice the was. Okay, because it was given in past tense. So you use the was. And always use active to passive. The verb form is third form. Okay, and add by, and its object me was converted into a eyes as a subject. Then its answer was the I was seen by M. Hamel, and most of students did very well, and most of students answer is right in this question. Then 21, I remember it. This question was most of students did wrong because it has the some confusion because it changed into the make it negative. Negative means you don't write the no write the negative means you don't change its meaning. Meaning is as it is but change into the negative. Then it is meaning I remember it. Then you write its proper meaning in remember it, but students how did that they change it into I don't remember it, then it is wrong. Its right answer is I not forget it. The opposite of remember is forget. Okay students, then like this you solve your complete answer. Okay, it will be useful for